Look, this isn't some kind of science fiction future. This is a system you can build right now to get back hours of your day every single day. So let's get into it. No, really, just think about that for a second. What if you woke up and half of your to-do list was just done? Your bills are paid, your appointments are scheduled, the groceries are on their way, and it all happened while you were sleeping. It sounds like a total dream, right? Well, it's not. It's totally achievable. You see, every day, you're fighting this invisible battle. It's a fight against all those tiny little tasks, the constant pings and notifications, and this flood of choices that just drains your energy before you even get to the stuff that actually matters. Get ready for this. 35,000. That's about how many decisions the average person makes every single day. I mean, from what to wear to which email to open first, it's no wonder we're all so exhausted. And this right here is how you fight back. Automation is your secret weapon. Seriously. It's not about working harder. Not at all. It's about wiping out thousands of those daily decisions and just letting the system do its thing. So how do we start? Simple. We're going to treat this like a game, okay? Starting with level 1. These are the super easy first steps that give you results like immediately. The whole idea for level 1 is what I call the set it and forget it method. It's so simple. If you do something over and over again, you should only have to set it up once. Ever. So here are your first 3 moves. First, put your bills on auto pay. You'll never miss a due date again. Second, automate your groceries. Get your staples, like milk and coffee, delivered without even thinking about it. And third, automate your subscriptions. Just these 3 little moves will free up a crazy amount of mental space. All right, you crushed the basics. You're already saving time. But now we're moving up to level 2. This is where we bring in some really powerful tools to handle the more complicated parts of your life. See, at this level, we're not just automating little tasks anymore. We're building an entire system. We're going to use free apps to do the heavy lifting, from sorting your emails to literally planning your whole week for you, on autopilot. Let me introduce you to your new toolkit. First step is IFTT, which stands for If This, Then That. It connects your apps together. So for example, if you post a picture on Instagram, then it automatically saves it to your Dropbox. Next, Apple Shortcuts lets you create one-tap commands for things you do all the time, like a going home button that texts your family, pulls up directions, and starts your favorite podcast. And Notion? Well, Notion is powerful enough to basically become your second brain. Okay, I need you to pay close attention right now. We've covered some amazing tools, but the real game changer, the thing that separates the amateurs from the pros, that's coming up next. And trust me, most productivity gurus, they won't tell you about this one. Welcome to level 3. This is the big one. This is how you unlock hours of free time every day. This is the secret most people never, ever figure out. You see, the secret isn't really the apps themselves. It's about making them all work together. Just imagine this. A new client fills out a form on your website. That one action automatically creates a folder for them in your Google Drive, adds their project to your to-do list, and sends them a personalized welcome email. It's a whole workflow that happens while you're asleep. And this is what that looks like. I mean, look at this chart. We are talking about saving 3, 4, maybe even more hours of that boring manual work every single day. Seriously, what could you do with an extra 4 hours a day? Just let that sink in for a second. This is the ultimate point of all this. You can't get more hours in a day, but you can stop wasting the ones you have. By automating all the boring stuff, you create the time and, more importantly, the energy for the things that you actually care about. So here's my challenge to you. Don't just click away. Pick one small thing from level 1, just one, and set it up tonight. That's it. That's your first step to taking back your day. So what's it going to be?